we're looking at initializing the system, the underbench RO hydrogen system. And the first unit here, we've got the hydrogen container, this jug here. Also be aware that it comes with a small rubber top in there, which releases the hydrogen in the container. That needs to be removed. Okay, and the second one here, we don't need to use that for the moment for the initialization. So on the top of the unit is a quick user guide for the initialization of the RO system. It has all the instructions on there. Each step by step goes through the initialization to set the unit up. So it needs to be flushed. You'll see the tank go up and down 2 or 3 times. After that's completed, we'll go through the next stage to flush out the hot and cold water system. Okay, now we're looking at doing a flush of the hot and cold water system just as part of the initialization. So we've preset the system. It has preset marks. We'll set it on to 500 mils. The 500 mils will determine how much water can come out. Over here, we're just going to set it up on the hot water. So the hot water, this comes out at 95 degrees. And take the lock off for the childproof lock. Push the button here, and that'll flush through the hot water system. So the hot water is flushing through. We can put up to 500 mils in there. So I'll stop that now. And just for demonstration purposes, I'll go through the cold water. So I'll select the cold water section at the moment. And that's coming through at 8 degrees. So the 8 degrees, I just need to flush this out. Just turning this on. We'll flush out the cold water through the bowl here right now. That's completed. We're finished in that there. So once we've finished cleaning out the hot and cold water, the tank at the back should be empty, and then we can refill the tank and the system is ready to go. It's a very easy system to use, especially even for filter replacement. So the filter for the system is in the top here. It has a little handle to help you remove the filter system. Just one twist and out she comes. Very simple process.